Hello friends, my name is Devanshu and welcome back to my channel. So friends, today we are making drawing project in MIT App Inventor, or you can say drawing app. So let's start. Go on the start new project here and then type mm, drawing project, or you can name it a drawing app or whatever you like. Then click on OK, then click on it. Yes. So yeah, just search canvas and just go on the canvas and height, fill parent, and then click on OK. And width is also the fill parent and OK. And type accelerometer sensor, like, and drag into this. And now we will code it. Go on to the canvas and drag when canvas dot dragged, and click on the canvas again and choose this one called canvas dot draw line, like this. Now just go on the previous x and drag this. Get previous x and just like this. Now get on the previous y like this. Current x and current y. Like this. You don't have to drag start x or start y. Only you have to prev x and prev y and current x, current y. Not this and not this. Now go to the accelerometer sensor and click when accelerometer sensor 1 dot shaking do. Just go on to canvas and click call canvas dot clear. So our project is ready. Let's try it.
So friends, I am on my phone. Just click on the scan QR code, and you have to do is to go to the Kinect on the laptop and click on all companion and just scan it. Yeah, it's scanned. You can see on the laptop of your on it's connecting. Yes, it's connecting. So as you know, the screen is like that. When I am drawing it, it can draw. And you know that on the coding we have a block when accelerometer sensor dot shaking do call canvas dot clear. So when I am shaking the phone, it will erase it like this. I have drawn something and it will erase it. Let me show you again. Like this. Subscribe to my channel. And when I am shaking my phone, it erases all. So friends, this is the drawing app. You can say drawing project. If you like this video, please comment, share with your friends. Please like this video, and if you are new on the channel, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.